Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Exploring Python's Cool Features, a tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Beyond its basics, Python offers a plethora of cool features that can enhance your coding experience and make your programs more efficient and expressive. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of these features with code examples to demonstrate their usage and usefulness. Example. 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 Conclusion. Python offers a wide range of features that can make your code more efficient, expressive, and enjoyable to write. In this tutorial, we've explored just a few of these features, including list comprehensions, lambda functions, generators, and decorators. Experiment with these features in your own projects to unlock their full potential and enhance your Python programming skills. ChatGPT.